Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Audiati and my NPM 2113022039 and my study program Physics Education. I tell you about electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are waves that do not require a medium to propagate. That is, electromagnetic waves can propagate even in a vacuum, like in outer space. Electromagnetic waves are formed by magnetic field and electric field that propagate perpendicular to each other. There are different sorts of electromagnetic waves. Some of them are generated by nuclear or atomic, which includes quantum physics. For the speeds of electromagnetic waves, V, C, E per V. C speed of electromagnetic waves, M per S. E electric field magnitude, N per C, and B magnitude of the magnetic field, T. Electromagnetic wave spectrum. Number 1. Radio waves. Radio waves are a spectrum of electromagnetic waves that have the largest wavelength and smallest frequency. These waves are generated by electrons in a conduction wire. These electrons will then produce an alternating current in the wire. Radio waves are transmitted through the transmitter or transmitting antenna and received by the receiver or receiving antenna. Number 2. Microwave. Microwave are a spectrum of electromagnetic waves that have the second smallest frequency of the radio waves. The frequency of the microwave is 99 Hz with a wavelength of 3 mm. Microwave are commonly used for underwater detection as radar, assisting aircraft landings, and so on. Number 3. Infrared ray. Infrared light has a higher frequency than microwaves. The frequency of infrared rays in the range of 911 Hz and 915 Hz. That is, the wavelength of infrared light is smaller than radio waves and microwaves. Infrared rays are widely applied in everyday life. For example, in the field of medicine for neurotherapy and treatment of gout. In the military field for seeing in the dark or foggy place. In electronics for remote control and many others. Number 4. Visible light. If in the previous spectrum you then see that waveform. Not so with visible light. The colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple are forms of the visible light spectrum. Visible light has a frequency of about 1050 Hz with a wavelength of 40 nm and 80 nm. The shortest wavelength of visible light is purple light. This means that purple light has the greater frequency and energy of any other color. Meanwhile, the longest wavelength is owned by red light. You can see the application of visible light on the laser. Number 5. Ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light, or commonly abbreviated as UV light, is a spectrum of electromagnetic waves that have a frequency of 915 and 916 Hz. The wavelength of UV light is 9 and 100 nm. UV rays are produced by solar radiation. Number 6. X-ray. X-ray are the spectrum of electromagnetic waves with the second largest frequency or energy after gamma rays. X-ray frequency are in the range of 90-60 for 920 Hz. This ray was discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen. That's why X-ray are also commonly called X-ray. X-ray are produced by the activity of high-speed electrons striking metal. The collision between electron and metal is accompanied by the release of energy in the form of X-ray radiation. Because the energy is very large, it's not surprising that X-ray are able to penetrate metal and human bones. Number 7. Gamma rays. Gamma rays are the spectrum of electromagnetic waves with the highest energy. That's because gamma rays have the highest frequency among the spectrum of outer electromagnetic waves, which is 10-20, 10-25 Hz. Given the enormous energy of gamma rays, it is not surprising that this ray can penetrate metal by a few centimeters. Gamma rays are produced by radioactive activity or unstable atoms in nuclear reaction. Next, properties of electromagnetic waves. Number 1 has a constant velocity and a vacuum, which is 108 me per s. And next, it is not affected by electric or magnetic fields because it is not electrically charged. And next, included transfer waves. In its energy depends on the magnitude of the frequency. It is based on the following Planck equation. This is and next benefit of electromagnetic waves. Number 1, radio waves. The wave used as a carrier for audio or sound. Usually, you know it as a radio. Number 2, microwave. The benefit of microwaves are as follows. 18-volt or microwave for communication or radar technology and analyze atomic and molecular structure. With the landing of the aircraft, detect the presence of an object. Number 3, infrared ray. The benefits of infrared lights are as follows. For physical therapy, for example curing, smallpox, and gout. For natural results mapping photography, used on the remote control. Dries facial paint quickly in the automotive industry. Number 4, visible light. For visible light, it has the following benefits. Laser beams are used in telecommunications to transmit voice, images, or signal through optical fibers. Laser light is used in medicine as a tool for diagnosing disease. In industry, laser beams are used to cut steel plates. Number 5, ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light can be used for the following things: that process of photosynthesis or assimilation in plants, formation of vitamin D, kill germs, steril the rooms, check the authenticity of structure in the banking wall. Number 6, X-ray. X-ray can be used the following things: photographing internal organs such as bones, heart, and lungs. Analyze the structure of material of crystal. Detect crack or defects in metal. Checking leakages in the airport. And last, gamma rays. Gamma rays are useful for the following: cancer therapy, sterilization of hospital equipment, sterilization of packed food, production of superior resistant plant varieties, and reducing pest population. Okay, that's all my explanation. Sorry if there's a wrong word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.